In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Dhgate. Whether you recently updated your legal name or just want your display name to match your shipping and billing details, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so the change sticks and shows up where it should. First, open Dhgate in your browser. Once the site loads, move your attention to the top of the page and click your profile icon. This opens your personal menu. From that menu, choose My Dhgate. That takes you into your account dashboard where you control your settings and order information. On the dashboard, look to the left-hand side for the navigation menu. Scroll until you see an option related to account settings. Go ahead and select that to open up the settings area. Inside account settings, click on Profile. This is where your personal details are stored. Within Profile, find the section labeled My Information. This is the area that holds your current name. Click the Edit button to make changes. In the name field, delete the current name and carefully type your new name exactly as you want it to appear. Take a moment to double check spelling and capitalization. Keep it simple and professional. Avoid extra symbols or emojis since many forms won't accept them. If your goal is smoother deliveries and payment checks, match the name you use for shipping and on your payment method. Consistency here can help prevent verification hiccups or delays. When you're confident the new name is correct, click Submit to save. Give the page a second to process your update. You should see a confirmation or the updated name reflected in the My Information section. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and check again. Occasionally, layout or cache can delay what you see on screen. A few quick tips while you're here. Changing your name and profile affects how your details appear going forward, but it won't retroactively change names on orders that have already been placed. If the interface looks slightly different, websites update their design from time to time. The wording may vary, but the path is the same. Go to your profile, open My Dhgate, head to account settings, then profile, then My Information, edit, and submit. If you're on a mobile browser, you might need to expand the menu to find these options, but the process remains identical. That's it. You've successfully updated your name on Dhgate, and your account should now reflect the change. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get it done quickly and confidently.